There is absolutely no doubt that the Newmar NewAire stands out as the nicest 36-foot diesel pusher motorhome available on the market today. And right now, we are checking out two late-model NewAires right here at the dealership where they have got impressively low mileage, and they are priced for less than half of what they would cost if you bought them brand new off the lot. Every single time we stop by this spot, we end up discovering some of the absolute best deals for all of you watching at home. I know so many of you out there are huge fans of the Newmar lineup, but let me tell you what is going on with these two coaches specifically. These are both 2022 NewAires in the 3545 configuration. One of them has just a little over 20,000 miles on it, while the other one shows a little bit less mileage overall. They are pricing both of them exactly the same at $315,500. Some of the brand new NewAires rolling out of the factory these days push well over $700,000, and that really puts the value of these two into perspective for anyone shopping around. These particular coaches come with the 450 horsepower side radiator setup, which is a step up from some of the earlier model years that had 380 or 360 Cummins engines, and those older versions usually end up priced quite a bit lower as a result. What really sets these apart from other class motorhomes at this same overall length is the inclusion of bonded windows along with a whole bunch of other premium features that you just do not find everywhere. We are going to take everyone on a full tour inside these coaches in just a minute, but first you have got to see the colors on the exteriors because they are something else. Before we head inside, let us take a quick look through the exterior bays because there is a lot to see back here. It is going to be pretty rare to spot this Dometic cooler in a 36-foot coach because this is the CFX super high-end model mounted on a manual slide tray for easy access. Here, you will find more storage space with some of the control modules mounted neatly on the wall, and everything in these NewAire bays is very well lit, so you never have to fumble around in the dark. There is additional storage back here as well, and then we have side access to the chassis batteries along with the air dryer filter and the fuel water separator. On the other coach you will find the side radiator area, DEF fill point, the plumbing bay with macerator system, upgraded outside shower, tank rinses, outside water tap, and screen to monitor tank levels. You will also find the Oasis hydronic heating system along with the cord reel for the 50-amp shore power cord. The inverter is mounted neatly on the wall, and the house battery bank is positioned up front. You will notice the collision avoidance system, which is the Mobileye unit, and there are cameras positioned around the coach for full visibility. Now, let us step inside and take a closer look at the 3545 floor plan. Right away, you notice the indirect lighting in the stairwell area, and there are convenient storage compartments along with a code entry system and a doorbell for added security. There is also a screen that lets you get some fresh air while keeping the bugs out completely. I love the overall feel of the interior in this coach because the lighting is very modern and it gives off a relaxing vibe. All of the floors are heated tile with absolutely no carpet anywhere, which makes cleaning and maintenance so much easier. Over here, we have the theater seating, and then there is a television that rides on a Televator for flexible viewing options. If we turn around, you can see these huge screens up front, and the colors are bright and vibrant while everything feels ergonomic and easy to use. This coach is built on the Spartan K2 chassis, and you can see the key fob right here, which lets you unlock and lock both the entry door and the bay doors with the push of a button. It is all push-button start, which makes things so convenient, and there is wireless charging available, so when you are driving down the road you can just set your phone right here, and it charges even if you have a thick case like an Otter box on it. Some chargers do not work through cases, but this one handles it perfectly, and we have 2 cup holders right in this area too. The HWH leveling system controls are handy along with the gear selector for the Allison transmission. And there are super easy switches for the big patio awnings outside, plus the slide room controls, privacy shades, and door awnings. All of that is located conveniently right where you need it. The owner's manuals are stored above the driver's console, and there is more storage up here as well. You have a large storage area in front of the passenger seat, and the use of space throughout the cockpit is really well thought out. There are touch panels located around the coach where you can control the shade systems, the window awnings, and more. Over here, we have controls for the floor heat along with monitors for AC/DC power, climate control, the generator, and our tank levels. All of that important information is right at your fingertips. As we step into the bathroom, it has a manual pocket door with a nice inlay detail, and there is a full-length mirror on the bathroom side. There is also an emergency egress door here if you ever need to get out quickly in case of an emergency, and that is huge for safety. It is also really convenient for loading and unloading items into the back bedroom area, instead of always going through the front door. The design cues in this coach are outstanding, like the way the art sink ties in beautifully with the backsplash. One of my favorite things about the Newaire is the Cathedral ceilings here in the rear bedroom, and again, there is a really cool ceiling design with that indirect lighting adding to the spacious feel. In the corner bath area, we have the stackable Splendide washer and dryer, and then there is a very high-end inlay leading into the rear closet, which is very well lit inside. There is a safe hidden back there along with shoe cubbies, and a little box here for the breaker panel. These are super clean Newaires, and they represent a great opportunity for someone looking to step up their RV game. Now, how much money do you need to make these yours? These are priced at $315,500 each, and remember they are both 2022 models in the 3545 floor plan. If someone has a trade-in or needs help with financing, the team here can absolutely assist with that. Like they always say, they will take anything from airplanes to trains as a trade, and they have even taken a couple of boats in recent weeks. You can call and get set up with their finance director, so they can work with your specific payment situation, whether you want to put more down or less down. They have surprised some folks by not requiring as much down payment as you might think, and with these newer coaches, they can stretch the payments out for 20 years to make it very affordable overall. This is a great chance for someone who wants to get into the highest quality 36-foot diesel pusher on the road today. I know a lot of you are fans of Newmar products, so if you are looking to sell your current Newmar, the team here is offering top dollar on trades including Dutch Stars, Ventana's NewAires, King Air Essex London Air, and the whole Air program lineup. They promise there is a reason why they buy over 100 units a month, and while they are not the cheapest buyers out there, they definitely pay what the coaches are worth. Just this month alone, they have purchased over 25 Newmar products, and we are only 3 weeks into the month, so that is basically like buying a Newmar every single day. I will leave all the contact details in the description below so you can check out their inventory and reach out directly. A lot of the coaches come and go quickly, and many get sold before they are even listed online. So if you are looking for a specific model, I recommend getting in touch with the sales team and letting them know exactly what you want. That way you might be able to cherry pick from what they are bringing in. If you are looking to sell your own coach, they have a dedicated division that focuses just on buying, so there is a whole department for that too. We appreciate the time today, and thank you guys for following along with us. We look forward to meeting you in person sometime soon. Hope you are all having a great day out there on the road.